Hey everyone, this is Kenny. I'm over at my parents' home again. Came to show you. I just uploaded 15 minutes YouTube video going to show you everything I've done today. And as I was continuing to keep going up over here, getting everything cleaned up. Sorry, I'm not on mines, but due to my phone having problems with internet, I don't have internet in connection with this home yet. But this is the future home. This is home that I grew up in. It will be the future home of the ministry as well. So I'm over here getting everything cleaned up and cutting grass. So y'all please like and subscribe. I am on my brother's YouTube channel. So y'all can be able to take a look at this and see what's going on over here. Let me get you guys flipped around and show you all the stuff I done today. If I can get it to act right. This video don't flip. All right, so started out this morning about 7:30 this morning. The grass was high as the world. I'll show you on another video how high it was. But I came over here and cut down a majority of the great amount of stuff today. Got the grass cut. Was able to come back. Got to get that mulberry bush down. It only gave me 3 fruits. I don't like that. See if it got a little bit more on it. But I am cutting this bush completely down. I do remember when my father planted that bush. Don't remember that big old tree there, but that is a mulberry bush there itself. Is another one as well that is coming up. And I got it well. And got a couple of more things here. This is the neighbor's yard. I'm not going to do nothing on here. So I had to come cut everything over here. Grass was pretty high. Got to come trim that bush up. Cut this tree much as I can down, get that all the way completely down, and my goal is to get this completely down today as well. I don't know who this keep calling, and get that down today. Then of course in the back here was able to get a lot cut there back here as well, getting this all down. Got to cut these things, cut a lot of trees that here in the back down. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to get everything done today, but I'm gonna do my best to get as much as I can and get it all cleaned up. Get these tires from back here, this trash from back here. Start on these limbs up here, get all this cut down, clean that thing out, and then just come all the way around with a whole complete cleaning process. So if you notice, I've been busy cutting up everything. So please like, subscribe, follow me on my DIY garden table channel, and also